Hello, in this video I'm going to show you some ways in which you can earn a passive income. So passive income basically is you set these up once and they continue to make you money month after month. And that's the way we like it, guys, yeah? And also if you want to scale up this, then you create what I'm going to show you today in today's video. If you create a few more of these, or as many as you want, then the more passive income methods the more ways you're going to earn, basically. So that's how you scale it up. But basically, a passive income is basically you set it up once and you leave it. So what to expect, guys, in this video, basically, I'm going to show you how to create passive incomes, yeah? Not just one, I'm going to show you multiple different ways. I'm going to show you some of the platforms that you can use too, because there's quite a few. I'm not going to go through them all, otherwise we'll be all day and night, but you will get to see some of them, guys, and I'll show you some examples too. And what you don't need, guys, is you don't need experience, you don't need any skills, and you don't need lots and lots of time. But by the end of it, you will know step by step how to make multiple passive incomes. I will show you, and if you stay till the end, guys, I will show you how to speed up this process and how to fast track everything. But either way, guys, if you want to earn money online and want to create passive incomes, then this is the video for you. But before we start and get into it, if you like simple ways on how to make money online and how to work from, and you want to work from home, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, guys, so you never miss out on future videos. I'm Jay Roberts, this is Building My Empire, and I promote and publish videos on ways to make money, trying to help you to build your empire too, guys. So let's do this together. Some passive income ideas: write a book or a PDF, and then you can upload it to places like Amazon. You can create a course, so then you can put it on under your description, you can put it on your social medias, you can put it on places like Udemy, Fiverr, places like that. You can create YouTube videos and put affiliate links in there, which I'm going to go over and show you a few of them. That is what I do a lot of. And then basically, for years to come, your video is going to be up there on YouTube, but you can also put it on Facebook as well. And yeah, so when people click on your links and buy your products, you're going to make a commission, guys. And how it's passive income, guys, is because it's already up there. You've already created it. You've already made this content, like a book, a PDF, a course, or a YouTube video, and it's up there, guys, for when people want to buy it. And if they buy it, you're going to get a commission, yeah? So once the work's done, the work's done. You don't have to do anything else after that. Just let it flow. If you send traffic to it, or traffic comes to it, then jobs are good, and guys, yeah? And sell Amazon products basically is adding it to your YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you a few different methods of using YouTube with the Amazon products. Now another one, guys, another one I like is ClickFunnels, guys. And now you've probably seen it on my videos because I do promote it a lot. And the reason why I like it, guys, because it's got quite a high commission. And if someone signs up to it, someone signs up under your affiliate link, then you get 40% monthly recurring commissions, yeah? So that's a passive income, guys, because you've already done the work by getting them to sign up to you. Then you just sit back and relax, and then every single month you get a commission, guys. So that's a good way of getting passive income, yeah? Now, here is my YouTube channel, and as you can see, local video jackpot, stealth, vid vortex, ClickFunnels, promoting ClickFunnels, Predictmus, Aurora, yeah, 60-minute Empire, my traffic jacket. These are all what you call launch jacking, and basically what I've done is, and what you do is you go into, you find the product over on Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, or Munchai, and you can either promote the stuff what's already out, or you can find out what's coming out soon, and then you promote that, guys. And then on the day of promotion, you release your video, and hopefully people come to you and hopefully buy it, guys. Yeah, and you offer bonuses, as you can see. You do a review of it, you do a review of the product, and then you offer bonuses, and yeah, so people buy it because it's like kind of a nice bribe, isn't it? So basically, yeah, I talk about the product. Yeah, so I give my review about it. I talk about it. I offer bonuses and that, yeah, and that's what pretty much people do, guys. But it doesn't take a lot of time, guys. Like I said, nothing does on this. But the only problem with this, guys, is if once this product is past like launch day, all the other affiliates then are going on to the next shiny object and promoting that. So then not many people are going to be looking for Aurora, yeah. Not just Aurora, sorry, the products you're promoting. Now, you can type in passive income ideas on Google or whatever search engine, and you can find like lots of different blogs and that, yeah. You can even type it in YouTube, and you'll find lots more ways of passive income ideas, guys. But as you can see, this might take a little time, and you might not know what you're doing on some of them. So this brings me to how you can speed up this process, guys, yeah? Because a guy I've been following for a long time called Mike, who's in charge of Not Taught at School, he has brought out a new course called iPassive, and it's basically underground strategy to secretly bagging 2 top affiliates, insane passive income, yeah? And it works in any niche you can think of using. It's 100% free traffic, guys. He made $7,589.42 in May, in the month of May, and whilst he was on holiday, guys, yeah? This has come out today, guys, and it's a bargain price at $12.95, guys, yeah? Inside this course, I will show you now, guys. No, wrong one. Inside this course, he shows you 20 over-the-shoulder videos where he teaches you his method, how he is earning all this money, guys, and he shows you step by step, and he also gives you 2 done-for-you bonuses, yeah, and he shows you like what products to find, different platforms how to do it, the actual method, additional platforms. Gives you like certain sheets you can use, the perfect video formula. Shows you his and his mentors proof, basically, and the videos, you know, like, so you can copy those. He shows you stuff what's evergreen, basically. So it's a bit like launch jacking what I do with my videos, but he does it a smart way, where is like I said, evergreen. People are searching for this daily, yeah, and this is how he's making money, guys. He shows you, he gives you bonuses, he shows you lots of different ways, gives you updates, free software, how to do thumbnails properly, live examples. Guys, this is a brilliant course. He gave me an inside look at it so I could review it for him, and guys, it's brilliant, yeah. It is called Insane Passive. It's called iPassive, yeah. So basically, come over to, I'll put the link in the description. If you want to check it out, by all means, come on here and have a check it out, guys. He will show you, he'll give you all these. Look, he's earning like daily yeah. Look at all these, like 2,500, nearly £1,000 in one day, guys. Yeah, this is awesome, guys, and all for £12.95. That's like 20 over the shoulder videos of how he sets it all up and the tricks and the tips and the tricks, guys. He shows you everything, guys. I've been through it. I've been listening and watching the videos all day while I've been at work, and it's a great story as well, guys. He was a student, and him and his mentor was teaching him this, yeah, and basically, when I started watching him, he had about 2,000 subscribers, and he was earning little bits of money here and there. Yeah, I mean more than what I was because I'd only just started, but he was earning money, but not as much as he's earning now, guys. And then all of a sudden, he started implementing this, what he learned off his mentor, and within four months maybe, he's now got 46,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and he's making over 10,000 per month using this method, guys. Yeah, it's insane what I've watched him step by step go through this, yeah, and I've been scratching my head out to how he's been doing it. I've been trying to copy his videos. I've been sharing his videos on my YouTube channel, and some of it works, guys. I mean, a lot of it works, but I didn't know this method. Now he's been doing this. Now it shows all these different income proofs, yeah, and there's his name, yeah. He's come second in the contest and all that. So you get a full members area stuff with 20 over the shoulder videos, guys, yeah. It reveals the iPassive method, newbie friendly, step-by-step fashion, so you can literally travel the same path as Mark did. Yeah, then you get 2 done for you. So even if you didn't have time to take action, or for some crazy reason you didn't want to, what Mark did, he's giving you 2 of them. Yeah, you also get access to his VIP private Facebook group, guys. I'm in there. He's always showing and helping and giving value, guys. So what I'm saying, guys, is let's wrap this up, guys. What you're going to get, what I've shown you in today's video, basically, I've shown you a few different methods of passive income ways, yeah. We've got, like, you've got your ClickFunnels, you've got YouTube, you've got your creating products like your courses and your writing a book, PDFs, things like that, guys. And then I've shown you, like, you can search on websites, and there's lots of different ways out there. But then now I've shown you like a fast track method, basically, with this iPassive, and for $13, guys, this is insane value. Check him out by all means. He's not taught at school. Is this YouTube channel, and you'll see how many value packed videos he gives, and he also shows you his income throughout the YouTube videos, so you know he's not BSing on this when he's showing these. And if you do decide to sign up through my link and pay the $12.95, you also get my custom bonuses, guys. Now I've not, if you check out my other video, because I've made another video of iPassive itself, yeah, I've done a review video of iPassive, yeah. If you check out that, you will see the bonuses, what I'm giving away. Now, because the course is so good, guys, and you can earn lots of money doing this with the course, I didn't know which bonuses to give, so I just put like a big bundle of bonuses. I think there's like 23 or 24 bonuses all in all. Some of them might be worth it, some of them might be, oh, I'm never going to use that, but they're there for you anyway, guys. And like I said in yesterday's video, if you've watched all my other videos and you see a bonus in one of them that you want and you didn't buy that course, yeah, or that product, let me know, guys, and I might be able to send it you for free for signing up for this one. Or in future videos, preview and reviews, if there's anything you see that you like and you don't want to buy that course but you've bought this course, then let me know, guys, and I might be able to send you that as well, guys, yeah, as a thank you, because I back this, yeah, I like Mike, and I like Not Taught at School, the channel and all the videos. I watch them daily. So yeah, I stand by this. So if you're serious about earning money online, guys, and you seriously want passive incomes without doing much work at all, then check out this, guys. $12.95, which it's launch day, so it's not going to stay at that price forever. I don't know how much it's going up. It might only be a couple of cents. I don't know, guys, but I know on launch days it's always a bit cheaper, yeah. Then after a couple of days, it goes up a bit. So just check it out. If you decide to take it, awesome. You're not going to be disappointed, guys, yeah. And the sooner you get it, the sooner you can start earning passive income, guys. And once they're set up, like I said, he'll show you lots of different ways. He'll show you ways to set it up. Then the more you set all these little passive income ideas up, whatever you want to call them, the more passive incomes you're going to get, yeah, which is going to scale your thingy up. He's earning over 10,000 a month, guys. I can't wait till I'm earning that. Anyway, I'm Jay Roberts. Thank you very much for watching this video, and this is Building My Empire, helping you to build your empire. Until next time, guys, goodbye.